Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So your girl got a wig. So this is a headband wig and it was sent to me by a company called Bileaf, or I think it was Bileaf. Anyways, the information will be in the description below. I am so loving it, guys. In this video I am going to show you how I actually put it on to get my final look. Now this is what the wig comes in, just a regular packet. You guys will be seeing me smiling maybe throughout the video is because I am so nervous. I've never worn a wig before, so I don't even, at this point when I was doing the video, I didn't know how it was going to look on me. So it includes a headband and it also includes a wig cap and obviously the wig. So the wig actually comes in a hair net, and while taking out the hair, it is so soft, guys. This hair is super soft and it is a soft synthetic fiber hair. So yeah, it's not a human hair, but it has this natural look and a natural texture, and if you look carefully it actually matches my hair. So the hair is actually designed with Velcro, which can be adjusted according to your head size, and if you look on the inside, it includes 4 clips, so you know the hair can actually be more stable on your head. Now this is gonna be funny because I'm there looking also on the wig, and I was actually thinking, you know, how am I gonna put this on? I picked up the wig cap and I was wondering if it was the right side or wrong side, but you know, I just went ahead, give it a go. It felt okay. It wasn't too tight on my head, so it was definitely comfortable. I already did prep my hair the day before. I went with a side part because I actually like how it looks on me. I don't really have any baby hairs like some persons, so this is actually going to be my look. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the side and the back. So I tried to get my hair, you know, as flat as possible, but my hair is thick. But if you guys have any tips, let me know. So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to put on the wig. So I'm just running my fingers through the hair, and now it is time. So what I actually did though before was to look on instructions. I didn't actually watch a video, so what happened is that I failed. I was actually putting on the wig the wrong way. So I actually started from the back and pulled it over to the front. I really don't know if this is the correct way, but if you guys have another way, please let me know. Okay, so here I am actually tucking the clips underneath the wig cap, and so far I must admit the hair feels so comfortable. Not only that, it is lightweight and I don't get this tight feeling because of how adjustable the wig is, and that is a plus for me. And one thing I need to let you guys know is that with this water wave headband wig, you can actually wash it. So they recommend you to use, you know, a shampoo, conditioner, and a shine spray for synthetic hair. So if you wear water wave headband wig, you know, every day, it is recommended that you wash it once a week, otherwise once a month, to keep your hair soft. Okay, so now I am ensuring that the front is well secured, and now I'm going to adjust the Velcro at the back so it's more stable on my head. All right, so guys, this headband wig, it shows your natural hairline. It makes the wig more real, more natural looking, and it is much cheaper. No need to glue in your hair, no need to cut the lace, and you can actually put this on within 1 to 3 minutes. So this is actually how the back looks and how between the hair looks as well. So they recommend you to spray some hair oil or water on the synthetic hair and then use a wide tooth comb to comb through. So it's not recommended that you use a fine teeth comb or brush. But guys, this is so cute. I'm loving it. I 100% recommend. The information will be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.